Hi, everybody. Principal Steve Carlson. Obviously, the school year for students has been done for a few weeks now, but the behind-the-scenes work that the offices need to do at the end of every year has been going on and is drawing to a conclusion as well right now. Though many students and parents would have already seen grades posted in Skyward, we are going to take the extra step this year to mail report cards home to everybody. And so just a quick reminder that we used a credit and incomplete method when it came to grades for the second semester of this school year. Credit means that credit was earned and we're moving on. Incomplete means that we didn't quite get enough or see enough work from a particular student in a particular class. And I want people to know that there's a letter inside the envelope that contains your report card that explains that students are able to use the summer months to complete that work that isn't done yet. We're really hoping that students that have an incomplete will take advantage of this opportunity. We want to make sure that any learning gaps in the fall are as narrow as they possibly can be. And for our high school students particularly, we want to make sure that everyone stays on track to graduate on time. If you have any questions, email me anytime during the summer. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. The other thing I want to mention in this video is the question that I know is on everybody's mind, and that's the question of what's school going to look like in the fall. And here on June 25th, I still have to tell you that we don't know. Anything that you might be seeing in the media or on Facebook is speculation at this point. The state is going to be issuing a return to school plan on June 30th is what we're told, and that's what we're expecting. And when we get that plan here at the school, we're going to go to work really hard to figure out what that plan means, and more importantly, how that will impact what school in the fall looks like. So we just ask for your continued patience. We appreciate your continued support. And no one likes to hear the phrase uncertain times or uncharted territory, but that is where we are. And just know and trust that as soon as we have the information from the state that we need, we're going to go forward and create a plan that we think will work as best as possible to educate our students. Thank you all. I hope you have an amazing summer, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the fall.